Okay, so today we're going to do a quick screencast on how to go from 4:3 screen ratio to 16:9 screen ratio using Premiere. So first thing we want to do is open up Premiere. All right, next we'll start a new project and we'll just call it video scale. Okay, let's drag our project into the workspace. When we look at the video, we can see we have some unwanted black bars up there, and that's part of the problem with the ratio. So what we want to do is click our video, go to sequence settings, and select the first 16:9 widescreen that you see, and hit OK. So now we have a little bit bigger of a container, and we can come over and scale. Let's just go ahead and bump it up. 121 looks pretty good. Okay. So it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and save. And then we'll go ahead and export this. Okay, so some things you want to pay attention to. This format up here, this format, it might be set to a different default like QuickTime or something like this. But we want to put out an MP4 and we want it to be a full screen. So what we want to do is make sure that the format is set to H.264. Then underneath, we want to go with a preset. Since we're uploading this to YouTube, let's go ahead and pick the YouTube 1080p HD. Like so, and then also we want to rename our file so that we don't get it confused with the old file. And then we go ahead and export. So this is going to take a few minutes to export, but once it's finished, you can go ahead and upload it to YouTube.